Now, theorem 6.4 of chapter number 6. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then prove that each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal is supplementary. So, suppose that there are two parallel lines, one is AB and the other one is CD. So these are the two parallel lines intersected by a transversal T at point P and Q respectively. AB and CD are two parallel lines intersected by a transversal T. Then over here we are going to prove that each pair of interior angles on the same side of transversal. Now what are the interior angles over here? 1, 2, this is 3 and this is 4. So over here we will prove angle 1 plus angle 2 equal 180, angle 3 plus angle 4 equal 180. What is given over here? AB is parallel to CD. So first I am writing given a transversal T, intersecting parallel lines AB and CD, intersecting parallel lines AB and CD at point P and Q respectively. At point P and Q respectively. Okay. This is given to us to prove. The first proof is angle 1 plus angle 2. This is equal to 180 degree. Then second proof is angle 3 plus angle 4. This is equal to 180. ठीक है, आप देखो प्रूफ करते हैं. Over here in proof in the right hand side we need 180. अब सवाल ये उठता है कि कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट में हमें 180 मिलता है. तो हमें पता है कि अगर हम लीनियर पेयर एक्सियम अप्लाई करते हैं तो वहाँ हमें 180 मिलता है. तो एक चीज़ तो दिमाग में क्लियर हो गई कि अगर 180 हमें यहाँ पर राइट हैंड साइड में चाहिए तो वी विल अप्लाई द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ लीनियर पेयर एक्सियम. ठीक है. तो सपोज करो ये इस एंगल को हमने 5 मान लिया. दिस इज एंगल 5. ओके. नाउ इज देयर एनी रिलेशन बिटवीन एंगल 1 एंड एंगल 5? यस, देयर इज अ रिलेशन. एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 5 दिस इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री बाय लीनियर पेयर एक्सियम. देखो ना, ये जो रे AP है ये T पर क्या कर रहा है? स्टैंड कर रहा है. दिस मींस एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 5 इज हाउ मच? 180. सो फर्स्ट आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर एंगल 1 plus angle 5, this is equal to 180 degree. First equation, give the reason, linear pair axiom. Linear pair axiom. Okay. Now, so angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180, but in proof we required angle 1 plus angle 2 equal 180. इस 5 की जगह पे 2 आना चाहिए. तो क्वेश्चन दिमाग में क्वेश्चन ये उठता है, is there any relation between angle 5 and angle 2? देखो जरा, this is angle 5 and this is angle 2. AB is given parallel to CD. AB is given parallel to CD. We have studied corresponding angle axiom. पढ़ा है ना, वहाँ पर क्या पढ़ा था? That if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. This means that angle 5 is equal to angle 2. तो लिखो यहाँ पर. Also, angle 5 is equal to angle 2. Second equation, give the reason by corresponding angle axiom. By corresponding angle axiom. ठीक है. So अब हम क्या लिखेंगे? So from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and equation 2. देखो angle 1 I am writing as it is. and this angle 5 is equal to angle 2. So over here this angle 5 is replaced by angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2, this is equal to 180 degree. तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट प्रूव हो गया. नाउ विल प्रूव एंगल 3 प्लस एंगल 4 इक्वल 180. इसी मैनर में प्रूफ करेंगे. देखो क्या करना है. ओवर हियर सपोज दिस एंगल इज 6. ठीक है. नाउ अगेन, is there any relation between angle 6 and angle 3? Of course there is a relation. Angle 6 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. तो हमने लिखा angle 6 plus angle 3, this is equal to 180 degree. Equation number 3 again by linear pair axiom. Okay. Now angle 6 plus angle 3 equal 180. Now what is the second proof? Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal 180. So 4 over here, 3 is already over here. 3 तो यहाँ पर है, but we require 4. We require angle 4 over here in place of angle 6. In place of angle 6, we require angle 4. So the question is there any relation between angle 6 and angle 4? Of course there is a relation. See, AB is parallel to CD and T is the transversal. So if a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles are equal. So again we can write over here that angle 6 is equal to angle 4. This is equation number 4. Give the reason by corresponding angle axiom. Now again from equation 3 and 4. So from equation 3 and 4, from equation 3 and equation 4, what we can write? See, this angle 6 is equal to angle 4. In place of angle 6, I am writing angle 4 plus angle 3 is copied as it is. This is equal to 180. So this is the second proof. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. So write over here, hence proved. Okay, please note it down.